Need a better way to check if these things are. Give me a second. Way to check if. Let me increase this. If these things are. Give me a second. Way to check if. Let me increase this. If these things are. Yeah, cool. All right. We're live. We're live. We're live. We're live. We're live. We're live. We are live. We are live. Itty live. Live. Itty leave. Live. Itty leave. All right. Cool. Cool. Are we? Hang on. I'm paranoid. Worst thing is when you're not recorded. All right. Cool. Are we? Hang on. I'm paranoid. Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Looking forward to factory. See what's up. No news, really, to be honest. Nothing significant, so I can go ahead and close this. Let's check the charts. Mark them up real quick. 5 minutes till London open. Let's see what we're dealing with. All right, so clear the drawings. As usual, that's how I do things here. I don't like keeping old drawings because that's some bitch shit. If you can't, you got to be able to redraw them levels, you know what I mean? I wonder if this shit's just going to shoot down again for the, what's like the 8th day. Recent support is here. Got this here. Hang on, let me turn this up. Yeah, all right. All right, daily resistance, daily support. I might need to draw this higher because on the 4 hour, let's see. 4 hour, the most recent 4 hour support, resistance is here. Most recent 4 hour resistance. Cool. I kind of see that W shape people always talk about. This little thing. Yeah, but we kind of have, if you look at it as well, we have a resistance here. A support here. So today, I changed my trading plan up, right? Today, what I'm gonna do is risk 5% on one trade. Because I thought to myself, if I risk, I feel like the probability of winning 2 trades in a row is lower than winning one trade. That's really, you just focusing on winning one trade is lower than when you're trying to win 2 trades in a row. So I thought to myself, if I risk 2% for 2 trades a day, and that's 4%, why not just, increase it by 1 more percent, risk 5%, but for one trade, right? Manage to trade if it is in drawdown for too long, trade management and all that. And go ahead and execute the trade. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be risking 5% today. Could be risky, couldn't be. I do trade on live account. I traded for demo for quite a while, but I do trade on a live. So it could be risky, can't be risky. These are the things you got to do in life, These are things you got to do in life. If you don't take it, if you don't execute on I think trading is a good metaphor for life, because if you don't execute on things, then you're just not gonna get anywhere, You're gonna fall flat on your face, and that's how it is. It's about getting back up, pretty much. Hang on. All right. Yeah, so with that being the case, let's me pump it up to 1.7 lots if I'm going to risk 5%. All right. So wait a minute. This shouldn't be here. Exit minimized video. Oops. Whoopsie. Wait, did I even... Oh, I had the wrong zoom screen on. Right? Yeah. Man, I gotta keep fucking these things up. Hang on. Zoom. That's Chrome. Alright, there we go. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, so we're at this 4-hour support, 4-hour resistance, which actually is the. So if you look at it right now, what we have here is if it breaks above. So if it breaks above these levels here, which is how many pips is that away? Well, from current price, actually, that fucked up from the 4 hours, 20 pips. So if we break these candles here, fill these candles, break it here, we might finally, for once, reach this level here. 141, 200. Might finally reach it. So let's go back, look at the 4-hour. Sorry, let me just look at the stream again. I know I'm paranoid. I want to make sure, because I keep fucking the stream settings up. I want to make sure I'm listening. It's playing right. Look at the 4-hour. Sorry, let me just look at the stream again. I know I'm paranoid. I want to make sure, because I keep fucking the stream settings up. I want to make sure I'm listening. It's playing right. Yeah, beautiful. In case you're wondering what the background music is, it's this Naruto Chill lo-fi hip-hop remix over here. It's non-copyrighted shit. Well, at least it didn't copyright me yesterday. So it's all good. It's all good. All right. Okay, so 4-hour. Yeah, let's look at the 1 hour, see what's going on. What gap do we have here? 20 pips. Could be a good trade, to be honest. It's 8 a.m. Possible trade could look like this. We close bullish. So there's two things can happen here. Either we close down below, we close above. Really, that's it. We're not going diagonal. We're not going upside down. Or, I mean, you can actually trade upside down. If you press Alt-I, you can actually trade upside down. It might even actually help you trade. Sometimes I flip the chart upside down because I find like executing buys seems to be easier than executing sells for some reason. It's a thing I learned from I saw Sean Lee do it. Sean Lee is this London trader. I saw Sean Lee do it. I was like, what's that? What's going on there? Flipping charts. Fuck's that? You know what I mean? Yeah, so there's kind of two things that can happen here. One, it closes below here. Right? Or we close up, or this reverse. Oh, this is the 1 hour. Or we close above. So, I mean, it's 8 a.m. now. So we're kind of in a situation where we just open on the hour. But it seems to be respecting this level. So and we are in an overall bullish trend. So in my opinion, we could be in just a weekly pullback. So I'm looking for something like this. Targeting up to here, basically. But I guess if you look at it, it possibly could have problems here. 1 hour is support trend resistance. So we possibly could target up here. Pip the Prophet join the room. Pip the Prophet. Let me turn this down a bit. It's a bit too loud. Pip the Prophet. Pip the Prophet. All right.
Yeah, here.
We're out here. We out here. Finally, all the set. Don't worry, all the settings are right. The mic is set. Everything is set. Don't worry. Let me just adjust this so it's showing you on the stream.
I literally woke up like on London Open on the dot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tired after that flight.
Yeah, I'm just kind of analyzing GJ at the moment. So I changed Wait, actually, let me quickly just hang on. Let me make sure this is actually playing your audio. I'm paranoid. Give me a second. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. All right, so I changed my plan up a bit, right? Everything's the same, but I thought about this. If I'm risking 10%, sorry, 10%, I say 10%. If I risk two trades for 2%, 4% each, well, 4% together in a day, I said, you know what? I'm going to take one trade that's 5% risk and only one trade in a day, not another trade more. So one trade, 5% risk, and that's it.
Sheesh.
Because I'm willing to risk 4% on two trades, and it should be easier to get one trade won than it is having to deal with two trades. So that's my plan for today.
Well, I thought that you close partials on one trade.
No, I do. I close partials, but here's the thing: the partials on a
Yeah.
5% trade would be 2%, 3%. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
I'd still get all the things from two trades, but one. And I just think it'd be easier if I just risk, because I'm willing to risk 4% in the day. Might as well just put all the effort into one trade. That's my plan anyway. You know, everyone has different plans. So the hour just closed. Not much is happening, but I'm thinking, I'm seeing right now. Actually, let me share my screen too. Share screen. Where's the Zoom thing? It should be on here. Where is the Zoom? Because I'm using it for Windows, and I think it's a bit different. Let me find where this share screen button is. Should just be up here, shouldn't it? What the fuck? Bruh, where is the screen sharing thing? Stop video, hide profile, hide selfie. Isn't it just here? No, it's choose video file. Damn, bro, where is the... You're on Windows. Where's the share screen thing?
Click on the Zoom application
Yeah.
and then like make it big and it should be in the middle.
Bruh. It should be on the top of my
Click the
screen.
Zoom, go into the Zoom meeting, make it like full screen. And then beside chat, it's literally the green button in the middle, share screen. Or press Alt S.
Alt S. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that gives me a trading view command. Hang on. I need to click zoom. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let me... Wait, select the window application you want to share. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Share computer sound. Optimize screen sharing for video clip. Share. All right, beautiful. Can you see me? Yeah. I was just at... Oh, shit, Siri. I was just analyzing GG at the moment. I was saying that we are at 4 hours / daily support with respecting it. I said possible levels. Possible trade is that it kind of... We go up here, essentially. This is a 1 hour little support, could turn resistance. So I said maybe we could shoot up here.
DJ.
If you look at the 4 hour, possible shoot up, maybe, possibly.
What was the confirmation?
So I mean, look, we're at the daily, yeah, and like it's overall bullish. I think this could just be a pullback, just to go up. It'll, like, I think you call it a liquidity grab. On the 4 hour, if you see, like, we came up higher. Here's 2 4 hour candles, form of support. We're at resistance here. It seems like it
think
respected this
I
pretty
think it
well.
looks I think it looks like a cell.
I
Look
mean,
how
I mean,
look
yeah.
how it's respected. Look how it's
So
respected.
no, so the only way it can be a sell is if it closes here. Like definitely, a sell's still valid. I have a sell bias in mind as well, but the only way it can really be a sell is if we close below the support. You know what I mean? Like nothing in here is saying sell just yet. Even though I know it's bearish, it's just we're still at support, and obviously you can't sell at support unless it breaks support. And the last candle, in the last hour, closed bullish with a huge wick on the top, so high chance of going up.
That's a huge rejection wick though.
No, yeah, definitely. But at the bottom, that's the thing. That's the thing, though, right? We're looking at 1 hour. That's a 4 hour kind of resistance there. Sorry, for 1 hour more resistance, but that's the thing. It's kind of like it's a good. So a really safe trade, in my opinion, is that we close either here or we close either here. That's a really safe trade. So
Yeah. Like looking for a buy, I would be looking on the 1 hour. If you
yeah,
just go to the 1 hour or 30 minute, and I'll probably be looking for it to close above. What's the range above from above this?
the
Above the line up.
oh, you mean above this?
Yeah, from where it is now to the top line. What's the range?
It's about 20. Let's see, 20 pips.
20 pips. Yeah, I would probably be waiting for it to go above the top line before I look for buys for a close, for closure above the top line, and vice versa, closure below the bottom for sells.
Yeah, pretty much. You want so either
I'll probably be looking for probably to go up, come back to that line, respect it as support for the top, and then go back up. And for the bottom, come down, respect it as resistance, and go down.
yeah,
But who knows?
my idea is something like either this could happen, either one of these things here will happen. Either this or this happens. That
Oh, yeah, basically.
that's
Like a
really it.
breakout.
Like if I were to take a buy, it would be because I my bias is still bias because the fact that because of it's because of 4 hour support here makes me kind of bullish, and then looking at the daily.
So it's literally in the middle of support and
No,
resistance.
yeah, definitely. But that's the thing because I like to look. So when I look at the weekly as well, the fact it broke these bodies here, and we could definitely be rejecting again. Who knows? But it to me, I don't. To me, it looks like a buy. If I'm being honest, it looks like a buy because we're at support. I've seen this happen enough times. We look at this weak bearish candle
Yeah.
followed.
Oh, wait. Is it doing what I think it's doing?
I think we could be pushing up, just maybe pushing up. But listen, the hour, what is it, 30 minute? The hour is only in its half point, so I'm not too certain at the moment. But yeah, it's really just a waiting game at this point. Either this happens or this happens. The reason my take profit is above this is because you know me. I like my 4 hour. I like my 4 hour targets
Um,
because
yeah.
I don't know, like I don't know if this is like a thing. I just, to me it seems like GJ doesn't care about 1 hour levels. At least the recent weeks. Um
Yeah, GJ looks for the daily and the 4 hour to go to the daily and 4 hour. Well, obviously we want to be eating like 10 pips minimum, 20 pips.
pretty much.
Right now I'm looking at Euro USD.
You're a USD.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me give that a look. Let me open that up. I think it's easier for me to just check out your USD on this screen rather than have you share yours.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
All right, let me clear these. So let me quickly mark up. Let me just quickly look at something here. Yeah, it's looking good. All right, Euro USD. Euro USD. So yeah.
Tell me what you think, then I'll tell you.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So
my bias.
Yeah, so I mark these levels here as usual. You know, the most recent resistance, most recent support. Looking at what's around, same usual. Yeah, so here's my levels. So now I like 4 hour levels because it matches with dailies. I just look at the weekly just to see the overall kind of like what's going on. Yeah. So here it's kind of a similar GJ situation. If we break above these candles, we're going up to, like, a really high level around here. So let me go back to the 4 hour, well, 1 hour at this point. Quickly examine the 1 hour just to see what's going on. Let's get those 1 hour levels in here. And here. And we're currently at a level here on a 1 hour as well. So cool. So we're in these ranges, these 1 hour ranges, 4 hour targets on that. So yeah, so all right. So my take on it is, so we're closing below support, 1 hour support. And if we close there, we're gonna go down. However, I still wouldn't say it's bearish. It'd have to close down here, because what's this? What's the distance between these? 6 pips. Because look, another support is very close to it.
At what price?
1.17999.
Oh, basically 1.18.
Yeah.
So if it closes below,
it'd have to close below that level for me to take or it would have to close bullish in the current level it's at, because it's still time for that to close. I think you use the 1 hour for entry, or do you use the 30-minute?
I'm using the 1 hour.
Yeah, so if I'm using the 1 hour,
I'll be looking at the 30-minute as well.
Yeah, if I'm using the 1 hour then, or the 30-minute, I'm waiting for like closures above. If looking at the 30-minute, once candles reach above this level, I'll take a buy up here. Well, once it gets kind of like around here, I'll take a buy. I would take a buy up here.
What's that range?
Well, it depends on where your targets are, but if I won't wait for the top of this candle, I would actually just take it as it's passing here. But that's only as the 30 minutes going to close. It all depends, because there's still 12 minutes left, basically.
That looks like it could go up. PJ. Bro, waking up for London session early is...
Bro, that's why you gotta sleep early, man.
That's half the battle.
Bro, that's why you gotta sleep early.
That's actually half the battle.
Bro, I'm telling you, man. That's why you gotta sleep early. Otherwise, it's just impossible.
Next time.
Otherwise, it's just impossible. So let's see. It seems that my initial thing could be right. We're still at this 1 hour kind of thing here. There's a possibility we could just reject it, go back down. But that's the thing. To me, the higher probability is that there's stronger support than there is resistance right now.
Stronger support?
Because 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. And I guess you could say the same thing for this. So obviously, like I said, the safest trade is that you take the trade outside here or outside here. But there's still range in the middle that it's, for me, worth risking a trade.
I think once it breaks out of this little range it's in, it's going to go crazy.
So, let me see. 30-minute. 30-minute and all right, you know what? I'll wait till like 3 minutes into 30 minutes, and I'll see what happens. I'll see if I can execute anything.
3 minutes. Oh, 3 minutes?
No, 3 minutes as in it's about to close. Once it gets to that.
Oh, the 30-minute candle.
To me, it's looking sweet. It's looking like a sweet buy. I'm tempted to hit buy right now.
I know.
I won't lie. I mean, okay, if I were to enter right now, stops below the last 30-minute. Could be a sweet entry. And I could hold. And let's say it shoots up even further. Could hold it even longer.
For this game, we're paid to wait.
It is, but that's the thing. We're at a close level where a trade can be taken. Like, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, because we are a bit away from that 4 hour, just a tiny bit away from it, and we are kind of in the middle, as you said. So for me, maybe have it go down a bit lower. So like, let's see where it is now. And then a trade like this would look hella sweet. Let us even go lower. No, I wanted to keep dropping even. Get that sweet entry. So you can put candles below all the 4 hour support. Look at this. Nah, that's what I want to see. I want to see shit like, I want to see you reject this. But this is the thing with GJ, yeah? You need to know that it's going to reject it almost, because it doesn't give you time. It does not give you time, man.
The thing is, early during Asian, like 12 a.m. or 1 a.m., I took a sell near the top.
Around here?
But it broke it. It went to like 140 points. What did it go to around there? 140 point something. But my stop loss was very tight.
Yeah.
So it just hit my stop loss.
I don't think trading GJ and Asian ever works out, to be honest.
Looking at it, it went to. It didn't even go that high. It went to 139,969.
Yeah.
To hit my stop loss. I had like a 12 pip stop loss. 13 pip stop loss. But now it's back down. So, and I knew it would go back down, but obviously those wicks.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Breaking out the. What price is that at?
The very top 140.138.
Yeah, exactly. So it just went there. Those wicks. Like, price never really goes exactly. Rarely it goes exactly to the level that you have drawn. Like, there's always a bit of.
No, yeah, that's of course. That's why I don't draw. That's why I don't even bother drawing zones anymore, because I just kind of just look now where the wicks are.
Yeah. I don't really draw I draw the lines, and then I will draw the rectangles.
Yeah.
Because I know that price will go somewhere like within those rectangles.
Yeah, pretty much.
Never actually goes to the just like, okay, this is a key level, we're gonna stop here. Just reverse or whatever. Like,
so pretty much as you're saying. I mean, it doesn't have to respect these levels that are drawn. It's just like a way to guide our eyes, as Ted always says. So the fact that the current 1 hour at one point broke below a bit here makes me now have a more bearish bias. But then GJ does that sometimes, yeah, where like, look at over here, for example.
I feel like it's London Open. It's just gonna go down before it goes up.
No, I think London always, what happens with London is that London does its thing, and then New York just makes it go further, and then right after maybe an hour or two after New York starts, then GJ just useless.
Check out Forex Factory real quick.
Yeah, I already checked it. It's nothing going on.
Forex Factory is for checking news events on currency pairs. The yellow one is the less important. Orange is like medium, and then red folders are highly important news events that could affect how the pair that we're trading moves in that day. For anyone who doesn't know,
Nothing's really going on.
forexfactory.com. Some people like to use Daily FX, but Forex Factory is the OG.
Yeah, they get that data just a bit faster than daily effects.
OG.
So I guess a safe buy at this point would now be here.
That level, yeah. And what's
then
that range?
It's you can get a nice tough pip trade over there. Actually, to be honest, you could even push it further because really at the 1 hour the resistance is here. So you can get a nice trade if you close above there. Now looks like it might play out with the seller bias that we had as well. So we see what happens. If it closes below, could be a good trade. Could be a good trade. It's 4 minutes left. Yeah, but then now we're kind of, this bullshit is here as well in the 30-minute. So now it has to close below these for me to. It's just a waiting game. It's just a waiting game, pretty much.
Literally. I know gold is finessing people out here.
Man, gold.
It's really, really finessing.
I don't even look at that shit, man.
It's something I should have known. It looks so clean. Like the structure is so perfect.
Yeah, but then you realize that just the tiniest move is like a million pips.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Clean break and retest.
It does do very clean everything. I won't lie to you.
Clean break and retest.
Man, GJ rejected that hard. 3 minutes left in the candle. Could be a buy. Could be a buy.
On GJ.
Yeah, man. Look at the 1 hour. Like I told you, GJ loves to do this thing where it makes you think it's doing something, but really.
Wait. That rejected that boy. Look at that wick.
I know, bro. I might have to execute. I won't lie to you.
Bro.
I might have to execute on this one.
For a buy.
Let me just. 3 minutes left for the 30-minute. Let me wait a bit longer. Because I might have to. This might be a buy.
It might try and fill. You see the previous wick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might try and fill that boy.
Let's see what the 15 minutes doing. Okay, so yeah, I mean, if we close, if we go up here, I'm gonna execute the buy. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Gotta do what you gotta do, man. Gotta do what you gotta do. But we're still this 1 hour ishy thing, so.
Yeah. I've never seen wicks that long on a 30-minute.
It's looking a bit weird. Like it's just weird. Like it's really just wicking here. But there's still range here to take trades. So 30-minute. Yeah, man. Like I said, GG likes to do this thing a lot, where it goes down below the last candle and goes up a bit. But the last candle closed very weak, bearish. So now it's possible it could go down, I think, more than it going up because we're at this 1 hour thing, and additionally, it did break below quite a bit. So I guess we'll see.
I'm sending the chart in straight from the blue light.
What chart from who?
I don't know if you can open this chart. I sent it in the Zoom chat.
The Zoom chart. Give me a second. I'll look at it. I just want to see how this 30-minute closes. Don't want to miss a trade here.
This 30-minute is definitely closing bearish.
Bro, GJ is a thing. 1 minute, a lot happens in 1 minute.
Looks like it might close in a
A
doji.
lot happens in 1 minute. Like it's really indecisive now. Like it's like is it bearish, is it bullish? Because the way that it's wicking on both sides, it's indecisive. Less than a minute. What's gonna happen? I feel like we might just shoot and then I think we could. I don't know. I'm looking at the 1 hour. Looking at a little 1 hour there. It's looking kind of sweet. I won't lie to you. It's looking kind of sweet.
There we go. It's
15
closed.
seconds. 15 seconds.
Yeah.
50. So if it was a trade, it'd be something like this. But I'm still worried about this 1 hour shit here. So not yet. Okay, we closed bearish, bullish, which is good. So now it's about this 1 hour situation here. This 1 hour.
Let's have a look at it on the 1 hour.
This 1 hour level.
Oh yeah, that top level. Yeah.
Yeah, it's about this now. Like
Once it gets there, I think a good buy.
yeah.
But where would the stop loss be?
Oh, where it is right now. This would be the trade. This would be my trade.
Oh yeah, I see. What's that? 10 pip?
Yeah. This would be the trade. Essentially. Because if I were to take a trade right now and assuming it to go up, my stop loss would be 16 pips. I don't do 16 pip stop losses. Okay, watch this, right? I think if we close above around here, I'll set an alert. Once we close above around here, I'm going to take a buy. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens.
Oh, okay. Impulse.
Whatever happens, happens. I might have to increase the stop loss just a tiny bit, maybe to 11 pips.
Yeah.
Let me see what that is in lot size. 1.55.
I haven't taken any trades yesterday, yesterday or Monday.
Why were you busy?
I didn't see a really good opportunity. I mean, like trades on pip to profit.
Oh, all right.
Like
What
in the Telegram,
did you take on your personal?
Instagram? Yeah, I'm gonna take one. Look at Euro USD. Euro USD played out some beautifully.
Euro USD. Oh yeah, the chart. You sent the chart, didn't you?
Oh no, I sent the gold chart, but Euro USD did exactly what I thought it would do.
Let's see.
Nice movement.
Send the chart on Instagram.
Okay. Just mark it up.
I always realize Wick Stone, like, he looks at something called pre-markets. What's that? Oh no, he's looking at US 30. Yeah. I was realizing.
Yeah.
You sent the chart?
I haven't marked anything up, but I'm just marking a bit another level. $30 Okay.
Where is the Zoom chat thing not coming up for me?
Here's my range.
Oh yeah, if I just actually, yeah, why is this not coming up? It should be recorded on that screen. Zoom. Zoom.
Okay. What you think?
2 seconds. I'm trying to see the. I'm trying to. It's not showing the Zoom window. But I see it here. It's weird. That's weird. What's going on here? Zoom. Zoom window properties. Zoom meeting controls. Where's this? Just the Zoom. What's going on here in these streets? Hang on, maybe if I close this or hide self. No. Stop. Pin video. Edit profile picture. Is it because I'm sharing the screen? No. Properties. There's always something happening, isn't there? Maybe if I make a new Windows source. Let me create a new one. Windows capture device. Nope. Window capture device. Huh. Is it this? No.
What's that for?
I'm trying to like see the Zoom chat window doesn't allow me to record it. Maybe, hang on. Hide video panel. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Show video panel. Zoom meeting controls. Why can't I see the Zoom? Like us in the corner. Maybe it's because I'm sharing my screen. Hang on. Let me stop sharing for a second. I think that's why. Yeah. Yeah, no, for some reason when I share the screen, it doesn't let me see Zoom to put it as to record our faces for some reason. Like, I need to figure that out. I'll have to stop sharing my screen just to get so I can see for the moment. Yeah, I'll just have to leave it like this for now. I'll figure out. That's another problem to figure out how to record when it's shared screen because it doesn't do it for some reason. But it works when I make it like this. Don't know why.
How to like show our face when
So OBS screen share video panel recording is what you want to Google. Because when I share the screen...
Oh, no. I can see. I'm watching the YouTube. I just looked at the YouTube.
No, I know it shows now because I'm not sharing the screen. But watch, if I share the screen, yeah, then it goes to this video panel mode. And basically, there's no... It doesn't let me... There's nothing to click.
The thing froze. Like,
Yeah, I know, because it's not there anymore. It doesn't let me click anything other than the meeting controls for some reason. So I have to stop sharing the screen, or maybe there's. I just need the window to pop out as its own video thing, essentially.
Oh, you mean sharing your screen?
Now, I mean, when I share my screen, it just doesn't. I can't record. Zoom is what it does.
Oh, you can't record in Zoom.
I can't record Zoom when I share the screen. I'll figure that out later. I mean, tomorrow. But right now, I'll have to stop sharing the screen in this chat. Yeah.
Today is 26th of August.
Still streaming clean, streaming good. All right. So yeah, I mean, look, I think it looks like we're having a situation where it's pulling back to go up. Maybe, or it could be resistance. But look at the 30-minute. It looks like it's a pullback, or as you call it, a liquidity grab.
CJ. GJ.
Last candle closed bullish. This candle is kind of respecting a support level, kind of a little miniature 30-minute, 15-minute support thingamabob. The last 50-minute closed with no wick on the top. All signs say it's gonna go up to me.
I can't see your screen anymore.
I know. I said I can't share it because if I share it, we can't see our face. So that's why I was like, what the heck's going on with Zoom? I mean, OBS.
How does Raja do it?
I think he records the entire desktop, which I'm only recording Chrome, so let me actually do that. Let me record the entire desktop. And that should fix the problem. So if I record the entire desktop and then don't record stream, and then if I share my video, I should be able to see us. So hang on. Let me.
Webcam is trash anyway, so I'm just looking like a shadow.
So then, all right. So if you look at the stream, can you see us and everything on YouTube?
I can see everything. I can see your whole screen, YouTube, top left.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah, I see it.
if you look at the stream, can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see us?
Yeah. Basically, it was just needed to share the desktop. I was only sharing Chrome. Yeah. Problem solved. Problem solved.
Okay.
Oh, GJ, what are you playing at? Are you going down? Are you going up? Let's see. What are you doing?
Oh yeah, I see us. I see us in the video.
Yeah. GJ, what are you doing? Do you want to go up or do you want to go down? Let's see.
It's respecting that.
Yeah, I know. It is. It is. But at the same time, it respects the bottom. So it's like, we're in a range, technically.
Yeah.
It respects the bottom and it respects the top even tighter than the overall range. So it all depends where it closes. Either these are my two trades. It closes. We break past here for a sell, or we break on top for a buy. Either if it breaks on top, then might just like I said, I might execute a buy. Let's see what happens. Got the trading thing here anyway ready, just in case. Need to hit buy or sell. 1 minute for the 15-minute to close. I might enter on the 15-minute because it's a Wednesday. You know, it's just a good. Wednesdays are good days.
I'm gonna look for setups as well for.
I got this new mic stand where like the mic hangs from the top, so it's like
Studio.
yeah, this scissors arm thing is way better, man. Like the mic hangs from the top, so because last time it was in the way of my keyboard.
Mad about pips.
See right there. 20 seconds for the 15-minute to close. In this case, I think the 15-minute would be valid entry here. If it breaks above, I'm gonna enter. Full confidence. Let's see the 30-minute what it's doing. Yeah, fuck it. I'm in this trade. Fuck it. Let's see what happens. 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 It was definitely an impulse trade, but you know what? To me, it just seems like it's going to open, and you can't.
It's closed. It closed above.
To me, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'll put my stop below the last 15-minute.
What are you expecting it to go to?
At least till here, you know. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens. Like, I can't be afraid to enter. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens. Just gotta wait to see. But if we close, if it does reject hard and we come down, I'll probably close 50 or 60% of the position. So I'll have the close button ready. I'll have the close button ready for closing.
Previous candle. What's the bottom of that previous candle?
The what?
The bottom of the previous candle.
What about it?
What price is it?
139,725.
725.
Yeah, I mean, we should be going up if I'm being honest. Like we look at the 1 hour, there's candles to fill here. There's candles to fill here. We look at the 4 hour, huge candle. This really, I'm buying it because of the 4 hour.
Yeah, it's still early.
No, you know, of course, it's still early, definitely. But like, you look at the higher time frames to get that overall bias, and you look at the lower time frames to get the movement. But yeah, like I said, we are at that level. The 30-minute hasn't closed, so it was an impulse entry. So whatever happens, happens. I'm ready for it. Like if we lose the trade, we lose the trade. Like I said, if we go down too many pips, then I close 50% of the trade and let the rest play out, see what happens. And that's me done for the day if I lose it. Because like I said, I'm not going to risk 5% trades in a day. I'm not. But like I said, yeah, the same way my FX journal trades. If you win the trade.
Ooh. Wait.
We could be getting somewhere. We could be going somewhere.
Moving. This nigga is moving.
I mean, I'm 50 pounds in profit. Yeah, could be a decent trade. I don't know. We could win the trade, could lose the trade. I'm not getting cocky and not getting excited here because I've seen GJ do bullshit. But it's on Monday. It's Wednesday. There's no news. Should be a clean move up, maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, target set. Actually, let me set the target. Target set, it is what it is. Could retrace, could come back down, is what it is. My target is going to be 140. So, yeah. Let me get the close rate in case I need to close 50% of the position. All I care about is, like, what's it doing when it's down. I don't really care about whatever. So, we'll see what happens. Ideally, here's the thing, right? Ideally, the stop loss is not even in a good position for the 30-minute. Like, I'm using a 15-minute to guide the stop loss here because the 30-minute would be just too low. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We could completely reject it. We might not. 10 minutes for the 50-minute, which is also the 30-minute, which is also the 1 hour. So, yeah, all these time frames are good to look at. 50 minutes is good to look at this point. We'll see what happens. Let me replay this audio. All right. So let me document this because when I go back to look at the stream, I know what I was looking at. So this was daily support slash 4 hour support. We have this 1 hour resistance. This 1 hour resistance. Probably put this here. Impulse break above. I like to call them. I like to call it a resistance burst or resistance pressure. Resistance burst above, which is, you know, in quotes, impulse entry. I mean in parentheses. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens in this trade. We'll see what happens. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Let's see what happens. I already have it here ready to close 50% just in case it gets too low. This is the 15-minute. Just seeing the flow of things.
Nine minutes till the hour closes.
Yeah, it's pretty much 31 hour and 50-minute are all good to look at right now. This target, why is my target up here? Is that with daily or weekly? What's going on here? Why do I have this here? The fuck? Oh yeah, that was 4 hour. That's why. That was the 4 hour over here. So hang on, what's the target when it's here? Yeah, so I mean, ultimate target would be top of this week, but my partial would be obviously 10 pips if it gets to 10 pips. That is. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yeah, but I'm confident on the entry. So if you lose it, we lose it. Is what it is. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Hang on, I'll be right back.
By the time he gets back, hopefully DJ hits that top resistance that we're looking at here. I can't share the screen right now, but I'm in Euro USD.
What?
And Euro USD is going off right now.
What was the pair that relates to GPB again? Was it Euro G British pound? Was it Euro pound? There's a pair that does like the opposite or something or something similar.
GPP AUD.
You sure?
Yeah. No, the opposite or the same?
I think. Oh wait, that reminds me. You know that fucking thing Raja always looks at? Live currency live strength.
one thing I started looking at yet,
Medium or something.
currency correlation.
I mean, I only trade one pair, so I don't even like.
Oh yeah, true. The pound is strong.
But GP is just a bit stronger. So we could be going down. Could be going out. Could be going out. Let's see what happens. I'm ready to manage. I'm managing the position. In case we go down too low. I'll close 50%.
Shit.
We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. 4 minutes.
Nine o'clock.
As long as the trade's managed, I won't mind. Like I saw what I saw. I don't care if I lose it.
How are you doing for the week so far?
Like 6% up or some shit. But here's the thing. This trade's risking 5%, so if it loses, I'm basically a break even.
Down.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. One trade 5% instead of two trades 4%. Because I just find it a bit harder to find a second entry. Plus, it takes you have to be in the charge a bit longer, and I don't like that shit.
Now I understand what those memes mean by shrimp back. When you're scalping like this,
Bro, yeah, but listen, I'm not. This is why I allocate just the morning for the trade. Like after that, I'm done for the day. I don't want to have to open MetaTrader for it any other time of the day other than the time I allocate for it. So he's really talking about the people who are shrimping all day, man. Like they're shrimping 24/7. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Do I win the trade? Do I lose the trade? Who knows? Find out next time on
before this it
Dragon
closes.
Ballsy. Yeah, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15. It was a 4 hour soon.
Yeah. What time does the 4 hour close? 10?
In 1 hour, so 10. 9. No, we were at 9. 10. We'll see what happens. This will be my only trade for today. One minute. 1 minute. We'll see what happens.
Oh my days, I'm so angry with myself. I messed up heavy.
What happened?
that Euro USD, right? I took a buy at like 1.085. It went to like 1.83 or 1.827.
Yeah.
I didn't secure any profits.
Was your stops at break even?
Yeah, stopped at break even, but I can't believe I didn't secure any profits.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna look for another entry. GJ 9 o'clock.
GJ's going down. I'll close this early.
9 o'clock. GJ.
Close the trade just there.
What pain.
What's that text tool he always uses? A little GJ minus what was nice? That's like minus 9 pips or something. Or 10 or 8. I think it was minus 8 pips. GJ minus 8 pips. Yeah, I closed early in that trade.
A different color for no way to change the color of the ray. I'm going to use a different color for the daily than the 1 hour.
What are you looking at? You're looking at your USD?
No, I'm looking at GJ as well. And Euro USD, yeah. I'm actually just going to focus on Euro USD. Because
So what are you looking for buys or sells on Euro USD?
buys. Nice buy, actually. I think I'm going to take a proper trade on Euro USD. So I'm going to set it up. Yeah, Euro USD, a nice buy. I closed the first one at break even, re-entered. What am I looking for here?
You're buying. Are you in a buy right now?
I've already bought. I'm in a buy.
All right, let me see what price. What's your entry price and exit?
1.1810
1.1810.
was my entry.
Yep, and then the profit and.
Exit.
Oh wait, sorry. This is a sell. Hang on. Oh, wrong one. Oh wait, sorry. The chart's upside down. That's why. Yeah. Okay. 1 point
1810.
1810. And profiting
And profit 1.13.
183 and the stop
1.1800.
18. Is this right?
Yeah. Oh, you're looking at the 4 hour. Yeah, it was kind of an impulse.
You should watch when managing that trade. Wait, hang on a minute. You bought what was sorry, because the price changed. You entered out 1810,
Yeah.
and this was 180 and then 183. Okay, so what made you hit a buyer?
I just saw that it's the past how many candles have closed above my level. Oh wait, what is going on right now?
Wait,
What's going on right now?
were you in this trade when it went all the way up here?
No. Oh yeah, I was in the trade like that. That's what I said, that it went all the way up there and I didn't secure any profits.
Oh, so you must have ended when you saw this happen then up here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, then manage the trade. Make sure that if I were you, I'd close 50% of that position, and then just let the rest play out. Jeez, letting the rest play out and all that.
Bruh.
Tigger said it's just kind of impulse.
Yeah, Triller Killer in Tradeway. Yeah, we have a little group on Instagram called Tradeway.
Actually, wait. That impulse entry, to enter that, the only way that would work is if you entered here. Is the only way that would work. Because these were some 30-minute candles before. Shouldn't this have been what you've done for impulse and then set the stop here?
Mike said it's kind of just impulse. Everything has been impulse for so long. Now we're trying to do it properly. So
No, there's impulse doing it properly, and then there's just hitting buy and sell. That's called gambling. Make sure. Okay, well, hang on. Am I in? Is this the right price? Are you? You're currently. You're still in the trade, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what GJ is doing. GJ. Let me try these levels again. So yeah, we're at that 4-hour support. Bang. 4-hour resistance is here. Cool. Pretty cleanly rejected it, to be honest.
Thinking of closing this Euro USD at break even.
Yeah.
And then waiting for a better confirmation because it's playing too much around that level.
GJ. So I guess if GJ was going to be another trade, it would be a situation of having it close below, like I said before previously, this level for a sell. So it'd be a trade like this if it closed below. Essentially. Let's check out Euro USD, see what it's doing for you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so you should be in profit right now, right?
On Euro USD?
Yeah.
Like 1 pip.
What's the spread on Euro USD right now? When you go into MetaTrader 4 and you click the like, you can expand the price, the pair, to show you the spread, current spread.
Okay, Euro USD is moving a little bit. I'm in profit, right? But it's moving.
Euro USD shoot up. Kind of.
It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not expecting anything crazy. Like, sometimes that's all they'll give me. Like, that 2 pip.
The thing is, I wouldn't have entered. I just wouldn't have entered there because nothing here said buy to me. Because on the 30-minute, like if I were gonna buy you, I would have bought it here.
You would have bought it. Yeah.
I would have bought it here. I mean, you could obviously still win the trade. Like there's always that possibility, but I would have bought it at this line here because for an impulse to work, yeah, you have to buy above a few of the previous candles on a 30-minute.
A few of the resistance.
Yeah, because like for that to be an impulse, you'd have to have bought here because
There, I would have been finished.
Because what you did was buy. No, on this current candle here. No, hang on, no. You would have been. What time was this? That was 8:30 a.m. It depends on what your target is, though. Yeah, but here's the thing, yeah. This. If you entered here, yeah, you would have. But that's the thing with managing the trade, like with impulse. It's like, yeah, ideally I would have entered here, would have shot up just about there, and then would have came down. But like you gotta manage the trade. You know what I mean?
I've just seen this respected that support a lot of times. Apart from, you see that wick, that stupid wick.
Yeah, I'll get you.
So it's like, that's my version of impulse. My version of impulse is like, respect that wick, and I might just enter.
So wait, hang on. Did I even type in the right levels here? You entered. So you entered like this. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. All right, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Looks to be going well. Looks to be going decent. Your target. So you have a 20 pip target, right?
Yeah.
No, it's looking good. It's looking good. Let me look at GJ, see what GJ's doing. So GJ is respecting that support. Yeah, I mean, there's no sells or buys on GJ right now.
Euro USD.
45 minutes.
I'm moving my position to break even.
All right,
I'm
so
some pips, but
all right, fuck it.
I can get a better entry, to be honest.
All right, fair enough. So your trade's looking like this right now. All right, we'll see how it plays out. See how it plays out. I mean, looking at that previous bearish candle, it closed with basically no wick, and you know what happens? The next one reverses most of the time. You should be in good. Actually, wait, you would have shot up right now. 6 pips. Man, I think when you get to 10 pips, move your stop loss to like 5 pips.
When I get to 10 pips, I'm gonna secure half the position.
Yeah, so you're gonna secure half here.
I'm gonna close half the position right now at around 5 pips.
Yeah, so basically once it gets to this alert, you're gonna close half. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. That's good management.
So I'm at break even right now anyway, so if it likes, go down. If it doesn't like, stay up.
TJ's respected our level pretty decently. Check the 4 hour. Yeah, it could be a clean shoot up. Could be a clean shoot up.
It's coming back down again. We're at break even, so all I'm gonna lose is the commission.
Man, commission when you trade like over one lot, like it's bullshit. Like it's like fucking like
Yeah, that's the thing. So
1.7. That trade I took with 1.7 lots was £9 commission.
wow. Yeah, but that's roughly the same as
London sesh. I think so. On Mondays, I'm only gonna trade the New York crossover, and on every other day I'll trade London. Because the New York crossover did Roger dirty yesterday, kind of. He lost the trade and then he took another one, won it. I think he left it just there, basically a break even. I think. Man, Roger's kind of funny because he says 1-2 trade today, but then you see his MetaTrader 4, yeah, and then he after the stream then takes another like 2 trades to try and make up for the losses. So I'm like, what's going on here, man? You ever see the way Rocks FX trades? This guy takes like 10 trades a fucking morning, man.
yeah.
And I just can't believe that people kept saying to him that it was like, what the fuck is this chasing bullshit? And he goes, it's not chasing, it's I don't know what he said, something. To me, that looks like chasing. 6 fucking trades in the morning. Holy, calm down, my guy. 6 trades. God damn, bro. And he trades on the...
One trade on the 1 minute.
Yeah, he trades on the 1 minute and the 3 minute. How the fuck... Bro, if I tried to apply that same logic, it's just not going to work out. Like, okay, let me put a virtual trade here. All right, so in a 5 minute, it will look like a good buy. So let's say I bought here. So this would be a good support. So let me look at the 3... Let me look at the 1 minute, right? Look at this garbage. Look at this fucking garbage, man.
I said structure.
This is why he trades 5 million times a day, man. Because he's doing this bullshit. And the thing is, I don't lie. The fact he doesn't show anything, to me, is not legit until he shows shit.
Oh, he doesn't. What do you mean he doesn't show?
Like, he doesn't show his trades. He
He's
hides.
always kind of like
He-
back test.
He like, I'm not seeing his trades, yeah, like, as in what is actually in MetaTrader 4, and that is a problem because, like, what the fuck? And he doesn't trade live, so how am I supposed to... It's hard to believe if he's real or not.
Yeah.
Or if he's just chatting, man. Because it's not that hard, man. Oh, USD still going up, yeah. Because, man, motherfuckers like Ted be showing their 200k profit, no problem. Fucking 200k profit. That's a decent bit there. Man, he could buy a Lamborghini every week and it won't bother him.
Man had a 200k day.
Oh yeah, shit. Sorry, that was a 200k day. Never mind.
200k day.
Actually, was that a day or was it a week?
That was a day. I saw it.
Was it? I think it was only up to like...
Yesterday was a day. But like before, you had a $500,000 week.
Wait, hang on, I'm looking at it now.
Man had a 200k day.
Damn! No. He made
That's
200k a day. I'm looking at it right now, man.
That's a lamb.
God damn. Damn, bro. Bro, his US 30 trade made 200k alone.
I was actually in US 30 when it was 2,700.
God
Like, I just didn't have the patience to hold it.
damn.
I knew it was going to, because US 30 moves in thousands.
Yeah, US 30 is even bigger than...
It moves in
Gold.
thousands.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
US 30 makes gold look small.
no. US 30 is okay because
Nah, I don't know, man. US 30...
one move is $30.
Yeah, I know. It's
Just the range of the moves. Like
I'm saying, it's making gold look small.
Nah, gold is the biggest boy.
Nah, US 30 is.
Gold is the biggest boy, no doubt. You open a one lot on gold, one move is $100.
Okay, but open one lot on US 30.
Yeah, then one move is only $1.
Is it?
Yeah.
You said it moves in thousands.
I mean, like the range, like it would move from 2,700 to 2,800 in like 3 days. But trust me, I've traded 4 of them. Gold is the biggest boy. Gold is the biggest boy. Euro USD is chilling. It looks like it's going to my
1-to-1. Wow.
1.1820. So at that point, I'll secure half.
That's a decent work.
This is a risk-free trade anyway, so.
Man, you gotta stop saying the same shit Raja says, man. You gotta fucking stop saying that, man.
Bro, that's just the.
Fuck. But I won't lie, man. You keep watching his shit, it sticks in your head. And even when he loses a trade, yeah, like he'll say the same thing. When he wins, he'll say the same thing. When he whatever happens, like when he loses, yeah, he does this thing. So the desk, my desk can also rise up and down as well with a button. So he'll be standing up and he'll start shaking. He starts shaking. That's because if he loses the trade, yeah, he'll start like moving a bit, like, yeah, I'm at the trade. But we managed it. We managed it. Yeah, that's. I mean, that's me done for the day. You know, that's me done for the day. That's what I say. But no, it's good. It's
You're done
good.
for the day.
That's good. Yeah,
Random.
that's the attitude you
Wicks,
need.
Wicks, uncle, if you're ever watching this, legends, we love you. We love you. It's all love.
In case he doesn't understand the humor, we're joking. Yeah, like
It's all love. It's all
you
love.
basically taught me how to trade.
Yeah, we're gonna find our own style. Don't worry. Wait, what? Euro USD is coming back to my breaky. No,
Bruh.
it's coming back. It looks like it's coming back to my break even.
I mean, it shouldn't be a problem. You're only going back to break even.
Yeah, I know, but I'm still paying that commission. That
I
was,
won't lie, man. When you lose a commission and hit break even, it burns because why am I giving you commission then for break even?
you know,
But it is what it is. You know, it is what it
it
is.
actually is what it is.
Like,
No,
you don't want anyone with a standard account with them 20 pip spreads. You don't want to do that.
no joke. Okay. I'm out. I closed it. I closed it like 1 pip so that I dodged that commission.
Yeah, you closed.
I just
Yeah,
dodged
to
that
be honest, that's a
commission.
good idea. I think I should set my break evens to above commission level.
Just 1 pip.
That's a good idea.
So now I'm out of Euro USD. No love lost, no love found.
It is what it is. It is what it
So
is.
yeah, it is what it is. And break even on that. There's 4 minutes to the half an hour candle closes.
Yeah.
I don't really see any. Let me look at the 30 minute. I can't see any confirmation for anything right now. It's just, as the gurus would say, the markets are choppy.
Or as the newbie traders would say, the brokers out there to get me.
Yeah, the broker.
And, you know, this is
broker
they do realize it makes no sense. The broker doesn't decide where the price goes.
yeah,
Like,
I know.
so it's impossible for the broker to make you lose your trade.
Yeah, but the thing is, yeah, you trade on the broker's server or whatever.
So why you
So
think they
people that,
manipulate the price? But
yeah,
that, bro,
they
you
can.
know that's impossible because when I open
No.
MetaTrader,
It's actually very
no, it
possible.
is very possible. But here's the thing: they'd be fucking retarded to do it because when I open
Yeah,
MetaTrader and I see the exact same thing I see on TradingView, like that's how you know.
yeah. No, but not all the time. Like right now, I'm looking at the Owanda chart on TradingView. Yeah,
No, you should look at FXCM.
yeah, that's a bit different from FXCM because spreads. Every broker has their own spreads.
No, yeah,
And
facts.
you realize some brokers have variable spreads. So basically, you just know it's at a certain time or something that the spread is like much different than
I
a
think
different. So you're like, what the fuck?
only
Like,
look at the Owanda.
I would have stayed in that trade if my spread was like fucking 2 pips more, 2 pips less.
I think only look at the Owanda thing if you are on Owanda. Otherwise, look at FXCM.
Yeah.
Because when I look at MetaTrader right now and look at what's on my screen, I haven't made the candles the same color. It's exactly the same thing right now.
Damn, I even forgot I have an FXCM account.
Man, fuck that broker. IC Market is the best.
Yeah.
There's spreads, the everything, the withdrawals, deposits. It's all good. It's all good.
IC Markets is the best broker for all of you guys.
This is Ted's. Oops, spelled that wrong.
Apart from you guys in Canada, I don't think you can use it.
This is Ted's broker, and it looks kind of trash. I don't know. It looks kind of trash. Well, Ted's broker has negative balance protection.
Trader's domain.
They have. What the fuck
Is
is
it
that?
his broker? Does he own it?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
He
Imagine trading on your own platform.
I'm like, it doesn't look that bad. Leverage is 1 to 500. Spread, negative balance. That actually doesn't look that bad. Looks alright, kind of. Yeah, but here's no. This one makes no sense to me. Yeah, it goes. Trader's domain does not accept applications from the U.S., Canada, or United Kingdom and Islamic Republic of Iran. What? That makes no sense.
What?
It goes. They don't accept anyone from America, Canada, or the UK. I'm fucking confused.
IC Markets is the best. Use the link in the bio to join IC Markets. That affiliate link. Get the raw spread account. Don't worry about anything else. The link is in the bio. IC
Worry about
Markets.
just winning the trade, basically.
Euro USD. Euro USD. Fuck, I should have re-entered. I should have re-entered.
Nah, why would you re-enter there?
Because the half an hour candle has closed inside.
Yeah, but if you still want to re-enter it, you still can. It's literally just open.
Yeah. Well, I'm 5 pips ahead. I'll see what it does.
Yeah, but gotta look at it. Yeah, you're at resistance right now.
No, I'm not.
The current price is at resistance.
No.
Yeah, it is. What do you mean? Look at my screen.
Is that support?
That's resistance.
Wait, let me look at your screen.
Like it's closer to the 30-minute resistance than it is to the bottom.
Oh, you have different levels. Oh no. It's the same.
Like it's rejected this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times on the 30-minute.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right.
That's why I said your entry, should be here. Your entry should be right as it closes above. Right as if you wanted an impulse hit, you should have
Yeah.
waited for this to happen, and then target here. So this is what the trade would be, assuming this goes up here. It would be something like this.
Yeah. For me, impulse is just like in.
No, impulse can only work when it breaks highs of other candles. You can't just enter because it's a support or resistance. That's not an impulse entry. That's just buying a support resistance, and it doesn't because you're expecting it to just resist or support away from it, but that doesn't always happen. That's not the case all the time.
Facts. Let me see GJ. What's GJ saying?
GJ is still in range. It's still in range, but it's respecting that support. So I still think bias still looks kind of bullish to me. It still looks bullish to me, to be honest. I mean, the 4 hour I mean, yeah, the 4 hour you think it's bearish, but if you look at the daily, I think there's just a pullback to go up. The weekly is bullish. 30-minute is bullish. If I were to enter GJ again, the trade would look like this. Still pretty much the exact same thing I did in the morning. Would still be the sentiment. Basically that would be the trade. Or take it again. Do you only look at Euro USD or do you look at any other current pairs?
I look at Euro USD, USD CAD, GBP, JPY, Euro odd. I look at too many pairs to be honest. Like Momo Forex.
I mean, whatever works for you, I guess.
Let's see, okay, but to be honest, Euro USD is my OG pair. Look at USD. What?
Yo,
Yeah,
no, no. And if I were you, no, this is what I was saying. This is where you should have entered, as it broke those highs.
yeah.
If I were you, if you're going for another trade, if I'm being honest, I'd still enter.
Plain,
I'd enter the trade right now, like right now.
plain means
If
plain.
you're gonna impulse it, this is where you should enter right now.
This is where it does that wick, those
No, but
rejection.
that's the whole point of the impulse, right? Like it breaks the last one. Like you're breaking a few of the last candles. That's the point of the impulse.
Let's see.
But I mean, ideally, if you were going to take it, you'd if you wanted to be super safe, like it would have to be here. But then you have no place to play around with. So I think where it is right now is good. But you might have just missed a trade. You might have just missed that impulse just there.
Like it just went to 1.1820. That was my original take profit.
See,
I
this
said I would re-enter at break even. I didn't. I didn't follow my
this
word.
this is the impulse right here. That's what I was saying. As it broke these last candles, we enter here. Obviously, you can still reject because it's gone up higher before and come down. But like I said, it was this line here I drew. I said 10, whatever up, 10 pips down.
Oh yeah, yeah. This would be the impulse.
I told yeah, that's what I said because it broke these. This is where your entry should have been, and then 10 pips would have been my. Well, the target would be here, but 10 pips would be like the 1-to-1. So I'll just keep it here for now. Yeah, but that would have been the impulse there. Ultimate target here. And as it reached here, then I'll just take partial and move stops to break
Prices
even.
are on right now.
Here's the thing with impulse, yeah. Like if it moves up a few pips, sometimes I just do this. And then it hasn't even hit 1-to-1. I just still let it run up. I still move it to break even. I did it yesterday. So now you would break even, and the trade can just run up because an impulse you don't even expect it to come down anyway.
Run it up, run it up. Oh, I should have eaten on that trade. I should have eaten. What level was the entry there that you have?
I
One
said
eight,
I said you should have entered at 18170.
1817.
Like, I'm pretty sure. Actually, was that just 10 pips there? No, that was 6. It doesn't even matter because it would have been moved to break even at that time anyway. I mean, it could go down. Like I said, this one candle went up here and then went down again. So who knows? Not much going on in GJ. Really is just ranging right now. Yeah, the only thing I'll care about is that if it closes below or closes above. So we'll see. I'll set alerts just to see how it plays out during the day. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. FTMO. Daniel Savage is doing the Daniel Savage is doing the FC Mode challenge. He already hit the 10K profit for the 100K account in 2 days. He's put on his YouTube channel.
No way.
And then FC Mo commented on the video saying, "We will look forward to seeing your progress." And then Daniel replied to them saying, "Just be ready when it's time to pay up, open up the withdrawal window."
Yeah.
He goes, "Just be ready to pay up when it's time to withdraw."
I wonder will they pay?
Obviously, what do you mean, man? He already passed the challenge in like 2 days.
Shit, 100K challenge. Pass the challenge in 2 days verification.
Yeah,
No, now he has to pass the verification.
yeah, basically. But like he'll
He has
pass
to
it.
wait another 10 days though.
He'll pass. No, that's what I said. He said he's just gonna open 0.01 lots for the other 6 days that's left. He didn't. Sorry, he didn't 4 days, but he's opening up 0.01 lots for the rest of the 6 days, and he's probably just gonna close them like right away.
Oh, FTMO makes sense. 100K. Get that. Make 10% a month. That's 7K.
Yeah, but like to him, that's nothing. He's just doing it for fun.
7K.
I wonder. Did you see on Wick's stream a few days ago? Someone said, "Look at Eggs, get Eds on the stream." Wicks would call him EDZ, and he went to his page and he was saying, "I don't fuck with that lifestyle shit." I mean, he looks legit, but I don't fuck with that lifestyle shit. But
Yeah.
the people in the chat should have told him that he's only 18, so he's still naive when it comes to life.
Yeah.
Because I won't lie, man, that lifestyle posting all that lifestyle shit on the internet, it's just cringe, man. It's just fucking cringe.
Lifestyle.
Freaking like, because it's like, who are you even trying to impress, man? Like, honestly, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for real. What's lifestyle? Lifestyle like cars, hotels, and shit.
Like life, like just, yeah, I guess, yeah.
Let me see trading with Eds. Does he have lifestyle? I don't think he has that much lifestyle.
Yeah, I know. I was like,
Wait, his Instagram isn't there though.
His Instagram's been moving weird, bro. Like for some reason, he gets some people can't see him, some people can. His thing is on and off. That's why he hasn't posted in ages. Something's wrong with his Instagram account.
I can't see his gram. So.
It's shadow banned. I don't know. It's something weird's happening.
So let me search it for some reason.
This could be a daily pullback. Ready to actually leave this fucking thing. Yeah, but if I'm going to take a second entry in GG, like I said, it'd be the exact same thing I did in the morning because I still have the same opinion on it. Still have the same opinion. Are you in the UK?
Yeah, I'm in Leicester right now. Jamaica in Leicester. I'm just out here. USD.
Oh, you finished your exams, didn't you?
Yeah, I finished my last exam, so I start work September 20 something. In like a month, exactly a month. So
What time you start working? Like the actual time of the day.
the time is it's shifts, 3 days, 3 days 1 week, then 4 days the next week, 3 days 1 week, 4 days the next week. It's 7 a.m. till 7 p.m.
Wait, what? 12 hours?
Yeah, 12-hour shifts.
Wait, what the fuck is the job?
Technician, remote operation in the remote operation center, Intel. But it's not like it's actually 12 hours straight, like it's like
12 fucking.
apparently like it's chill. Like
Bruh.
you just do what you want, then they call you if something goes wrong, and then you like remotely tell the thing. Basically, the funny thing is like the job is you look at charts all day, or not all day, but you look at charts.
Like graphs and shit.
You know, I actually said that in my interview.
Wow.
I said I trade in my interview.
I don't know what they say.
Like when he said, yeah, that the job is basically that I'll be analyzing charts, that I'll be looking at charts on the data of certain tools in the fab. The fab is basically where they make the chips. Like that shit is expensive as fuck.
Wait,
So
are you actually programming in the job?
no, I'm not programming. Um, I'll be, and that's what the software developers do.
I thought you were a software developer. I thought that's what you were doing.
No, no, no. I'm an automation engineer.
Yeah, but an automation engineer should code. What do you mean?
Yeah, in certain jobs you'll code in ladder logic or something for an automation process.
Oh,
But
so you're not
in
programming.
no,
Oh.
I don't think so. Anyway, I probably might be. I
Cause,
don't fully.
cause my entire job is programming stuff to happen automatically. It's literally my entire job. That's what a DevOps engineer does. We make programs to.
You see what I mean with Euro USD? You see those wicks?
Then if that keeps happening, then you wait for a candle close.
Yeah, those wicks. I don't know because all those close, all that shit in the 1 hour, those wicks. It's just moving. It's just the body of the 4 hour forming. Like when I look at it in the 1 hour, I see like 3 wicks, and I look at the 4 hour. I'm like, 4 hours is still normal.
4 hour closes in 13 minutes. We're in this little nasty looking GJ range. So like now it's really clear as if it goes up here, it would be a buy if it goes down here. Unless it just keeps ranging until New York. Yeah.
GJ's just GJ's never a buy until it goes above 139.95.
I wouldn't say that. I would not say that. No.
Yeah,
Nah.
definitely,
Nah.
definitely, without a doubt.
I,
In
I
my
I don't agree to that. I mean, if you were gonna, I guess minimum 139.88885, not 995, because we're kind of
eight
that would be
five.
the previous 1 hour bullish and bearish candle 885. But there would be no trade there anyway, so like you just have to wait till it closes above everything if it gets to that point. 12 minutes for the stream to end. Let's see what happens with GJ and Euro USD in the next
Let's go.
12 minutes. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
What it do, baby? Your USD stop playing. I'm gonna look for a swing trade on Euro USD.
If you're gonna, I mean, you should try just focusing on only Euro USD.
Yeah.
See what can happen.
This is my stop loss.
$10 for the 1 hour. I mean, for the 4 hour to close. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Ten minutes. FTMO seems easy for a lot of people.
Say it again.
FTMO.
What about it?
It seems easy for a lot of people.
It depends on the people you're looking at. It's not, bro. It's just like trading any other account. Like if you can't trade a $1,000 account, how the heck are you gonna trade a 100K? It's gonna be. It's the same. The same moves happen. You just lots don't affect the trade. Neither does anything else. Like it's just the trade wins or it loses. That's it. It just takes time. Like this is only I've only been doing this live probably for 3 weeks, practicing for the last 3 months for demo. So there's still loads of time, man, to improve. Like, not even sweating. You shouldn't be sweating either. Like, you haven't been doing this that long. Couple of things you just gotta iron out, and that's it, really. I mean, think about it. When Nick first did Forex in his first year, he saved up, did 2 jobs, saved up $8,000, and lost it all. He lost $8,000, and then I'm surprised he didn't give up. That's crazy. And now look at him. He makes 20. He managed to make 20, 30K a month from just his trading alone. Not even like the level effect shit, just the trading alone. And then same with
the average monthly like 20-30%.
I don't fucking know. I just know he makes about 20, 30K a month.
Euro USD.
Both Euro USD and GG are in the thing. 7 minutes left. And then we'll see what happens. Coinex.
I think Euro USD will go up. I'm feeling that every time I've seen a doji in Euro USD, I just see it shoots up and it doesn't look back.
So you're thinking something like this?
You see?
For your USD?
Let me see.
We can't see.
Yeah, something like that. But I think it'll just continue going up. once New York kicks in.
Oh, so you mean it will go up to here?
Yeah, definitely. That's where I'm swinging. That's where I'm swinging to, with my stop loss just near that level, the bottom one.
So you do something like this.
No, more.
More.
Yeah,
20 pips. God damn, that's a huge stop
yeah,
loss. These stop losses are huge though, man.
yeah. Like a 20 pip stop loss.
Bro, I think you could do that with a 20 pip. Like you gotta think about this, yeah. The thing is, if you're using the 1 hour and 30 minute enter, like, okay, let's say use the 1 hour. You should minimum put it below the last 1 hour, because if it goes below that 1 hour,
Yeah, but I just like to give it a little bit of range, because so many times shit will like touch my stop loss and just go in my direction.
but that's the question. Then is like, where's the entry? That's the thing. It's like, where's the entry? You know what I mean? Like a stop loss
No,
this big.
my entry is always lovely, but then say I enter at a lovely position, it'll just almost like it's stop hunting me.
That's where the conspiracy theories start coming for traders.
I'll just go to my stop loss and
Bro,
I'll just
nah, but the thing is, if people sat down and looked at why they lost a trade, like, watch, I took that GJ trade, yeah, I said what it is, what if it lost it, if it won it, blah blah blah. It's not a stop hunt. It's just a simple fact of it just rejected the level. I impulsed it. It lost the trade. It's as simple as that. Like, there was no magic to it. The lesson maybe is that let it close above, but other than that, that's where the conspiracy theories start flying, and everyone you mention trading to anybody, they start saying, "Isn't that gambling?" Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. That's trading is gambling. Shut your fucking mouth, shine blast.
you can make it whatever you want it to be. You
Like
can make
it was that it's like that argument we had back in the day when we were saying like the 90% versus the 10%. But you gotta look at what the 90% is doing, man. Like, remember that FTMO video I showed you? People were using. Did you see that video? Like, someone lost 80K, man, in that FTMO challenge. How do you do that in one day?
It'll take just
Like, you gotta look at how these people are trading. It seems 2 minutes and 3 minutes left. So we'll see what happens in 3 minutes. If nothing happens, then the stream ends. If it doesn't get to anywhere that's good, then the stream just ends.
see. Curious. Maybe. Maybe we'll go here. It's a big swing. I'm wondering, will it go back to 1.7? Okay.
One minute left.
That's 60. 600. London.
London.
1 p.m. the biggest volume. Is it 1 p.m.? Yeah, around 2 p.m. That's when the volume will come in.
13 seconds. It seems that absolutely fucking nothing's gonna happen.
Before the stream ends, I'm letting it knowing that Euro USD will probably be looking for a buy, most likely looking for a buy. It'll be on the Pip the Profit Instagram anyway, the trade that will be taken. It'll be in the free Telegram group. And hopefully we all make some pips to profit today.
Pretty much nothing. Pretty much the most rangy ass fucking morning. All right, that's the stream over. So
Hey, we out.
yeah, we out.